Welcome to this Xtralis instructional video on the Vesda Sensepoint XCL large bore aspirating gas detector. Today I'm going to show you how to add this detector in line with some existing Vesda detection pipe. So first we should note that the detector is mounted on the wall as required with a direction of flow going from left to right in this case. So we want to achieve an offset of the sample pipe vertically away from the wall into the gas detector, and to do this we're going to use some of these 60-degree bends which are provided in the kit to achieve this. So these small bits of pipe here are roughly 100 millimeters long, so I pre-cut these earlier and attached them into the elbows, which accommodate pipes up to 27 millimeters of various sizes starting from 25 millimeters. So we can simply insert this pre-made bit of pipe into the gas detector here and couple that with the existing field pipe, like so. Note, in an actual installation I would be gluing the pipe in a normal Vesda fashion. So on the other side of the detector we've actually got a horizontal offset from the pipe as well as the vertical offset we've got to accommodate. And to achieve this it's very easy. We simply use the two elbows the same as the other side, but we can rotate these elbows as required to accommodate for the vertical and horizontal offset. So roughly I've pre-made this section of pipe here, which was pre-measured to coincide with that pipe on the wall. So once again, simply insert it into the gas detector, and this is where I change sides, and we can physically rotate the pipe to achieve the offset that we need, and then simply insert it into the field pipe work here, pushing it in like such, applying glue previously as required, and achieve the direction of the pipe that we need.